Hello guys, today we'll be opening every single pack in the lightning round section in Smoq game 24 pack winner. Starting off with our icon pick. Oh come on, Taurus. Nest, I'll take that. I'll take that. Oh, okay. I expected Prince. I absolutely expected Prince. Toss champions pick. Here we go. Phil Foden, I already have him. I'm gonna pick him. I don't care. He is Man City's man up there. Okay, I know he's injured, but he will cook them. Champions 90 plus. Every one of them's 90 rated? I'll just go for a test. What was that? Okay, this can give you very nice card. Oh god. What have I bagged? 96 Ronaldo. Thanks, I'll save that. I already have Futsy's Ronaldo, but I don't care. Okay, let's sell that. Toss champions, 2 of them. 2 toss champions. Loftus Cheek. Here we go. Next pack. Come on, cup. I'm sorry. Mark. Come on, Messi. Nope. The tournament. Come on. Oh my god. Not the tournament. Euros. Ooh, our first good from this 97. Fabian. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.